Hey guys, let me show you how I make my ogbono soup. Ogbono is a very delicious slimy soup that especially kids love this a lot. Okay, so the ingredients you're gonna be needing, I'm gonna list them in the description box below. Now for this ogbono, you could use any kind of vegetable you like. Here I'm using spinach, not the frozen one, the fresh one. I washed and sliced it. You could use bitter leaf, either dry or frozen. You could use kale, actually, okay? But today, this is what I'm using. Now, your ogbono, you could buy the seed and blend, or if you already have the blended one and it's in the freezer, you bring it out to thaw, and then you might want to blend it a little bit, just like I'm doing here, just to, remove all those little bubbles. You're gonna see it's still gonna be there, but at least it helps a lot. So in a clean pot, go ahead and add your oil. Please do not fry the oil, just let it warm up a little bit and you put the ogbono into it. Now gradually stirring the ogbono paste into the pot, and then you start to add your beef or chicken stock. Begin to add, and then you have to be stirring so fast. You're doing this because you want it to curdle, right, and to really be slimy like the way you want it. Now you allow it to cook for like 15 to 20 minutes, and when it comes to a full boil, you blend your other ingredients. Here I'm blending the ogiri and the crayfish, okay? And now you add it into the pot, and of course your obstacles, maybe you're using beef, chicken, turkey, whatever you're using, you add it in now. Add your onions. Onions is totally optional. I like onions in my ogbono soup. And you add every other ingredient excluding the vegetable, okay? And the okra, because I'm using okra here, but you can skip that. But where I come from, we do that, okay? Put pepper as much as you want. Here I added 1 red bell pepper and scotch bonnet pepper. And this white thing you're seeing is that is the powder. And then I now add my vegetable and stir together, and voila, it's ready.